Morning brush. Alright, open. Relax. No need to use tools today. We did yesterday, right? Always keeping a lookout. Can you close that, please? Open. Every day, twice a day, for 2 minutes. This is not fun. This is not easy. This is real. Go spit. Good job. Close a little. Please relax. Please relax. Please relax. Please relax. Please relax. I'm trying to help you out. Close. Close. Good job. Done. Now we close. That's long enough. Open. Open. Really trying to get a different piece of floss. Done. Open. Open. There we go. And it don't end here. And after this, we always clean our nose, wash our face, put on lotion, do our hair every day. But that's not really dentist POV, so I spare you from looking up their noses and hair and blah blah blah. Good job, done.